Is this thing on? Today we are going to the Prose factory in Brooklyn where every Prose product is made and packaged for you. So come along. Actually like the first sunny, beautiful day in a really long time here in New York. I'm having a really good hair day. Shout out to the custom curl cream.
Hi everyone, my name is Christy Serrano Dupree. I've been working at Prose for 4 years now. I'm a production supervisor for 2 years, and when we started in 2020, everything was manual. So we did everything by hand. All of the formulating of our products were made by hand in labs. You fill out the consultation online, you know, it'll tell you at the end like, this is your hair needs and these are the ingredients. So here in our factory, we have all of those ingredients that are needed to put together, you know, your curl cream or your leave-in. Everything, like I said, is intricately put, each complex, you know, whatever it is.
Custom made.
Custom made. So yeah, everyone's formula is different. Some people may have similar ingredients, but one person might have more than the other. I really like the styling gel. This is like 3-day-old hair, but if I really wanted to do like a nice slick back or like one of these, styling gel is really, really good. And it's also really good if you just wash your hair, put a little, crunch it in. I like to air dry, I don't like to diffuse. Shake it out, and then it gives me nice waves / curls.
Yeah. Let's finish the tour. Wait, Marissa, say hi and who you are.
Hi, Marissa. I'm our social media manager. I'm going to be cute underneath this, I promise.
We obviously have to do a TikTok